video tutorial. As a new or maybe an experienced HOSA chapter advisor, you may be asking yourself some questions such as, what is HOSA? How do I serve as a HOSA chapter advisor? And what are my next steps? That's why National HOSA collaboratively developed this resource to help answer those questions and have a one-stop shop that's easy to navigate and provides user-friendly documents. The process was to ask some local and state HOSA advisors a couple of questions. What is one thing that you wish National HOSA provided as a resource? And what are the easy steps for a new chapter advisor? That one thing and the easy steps turned into 12 steps and many things. So we took those many things and created the chapter advisor resource. We needed a platform in which to deliver our resource. So we asked our great friends at the Public Health Foundation, and the Train HOSA Chapter Advisor Resource Partnership began. So what is Train? Train is a learning network connecting health professionals across disciplines and organizations. So let's go take a look, and let's register an account now. To register for your account, you need to select your state and click on Create an Account. You can look through the Train policies. You will need to agree to these Train policies. For simplicity's sake and timing, we're just going to quickly agree to these Train policies and move on to the next area. Here are required fields. It's suggested that your login name become your email, since usually only emails have one person that are connected to them. In this drop-down box, you'll see that there are a couple of different areas that you can choose: HOSA or HOSA-Future health professionals. Continue filling out your information. As you'll see, there are several drop-down boxes. And you'll need to show your county as well. You can choose a secret question and provide a one-word answer. This will help you if you do forget your login and password. Here's some optional fields over here, and here you can choose to receive emails from Train or to receive notifications about the site updates by email. If you do leave this checked, Train does not send very many emails, if any emails, regarding any updates. You'll be taken to this screen that shows 4 different portals. There are many different portals that you can choose from. If you are a Medical Reserve Corps volunteer, you can select your groups through here, through the CDC, or through HRSA. However, we're just going to go choose our state portal. They will ask you a number of questions, and you can just complete this to the best of your information or best of your knowledge. You only do need to select one portal, as it says down here. So we've selected one portal, so we'll move on to the next area. Here, you'll see several different professional roles. If you select some of these, such as the non-physician clinician, you'll have another drop-down on the other side. You can select multiple of these, but for simplicity's sake, we will just continue clicking on one. This information here is optional for demographic information. Train does not release any of this information if you do complete it. This is where you would indicate your professional license number if you have a nurse's license or any other healthcare professional. You'll go ahead and click the next button and you are in. Be sure to remember your login and your password to get into Train. Once you are in Train again, you'll come up to the top right and you will search for HOSA. When you search, you'll see that there are several options that do pop up. The one that we're going to go to today is the HOSA Chapter Advisor Resource. It does list this as a course, but please do not fret. It is not a course. It is just a resource for you. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to this site that shows all of the course description and other information that you may need. You're going to the registration area, and then you'll talk about, or you will answer the question, are you a new or experienced HOSA chapter advisor? And then you can talk about what you teach. And then you'll click Launch. Once you click Launch, you will see that there are two different options for you to get into the next area. You'll want to self-enroll in this course, and you'll have to enter the course access code, which is HOSA-001. In this area, once you self-enroll, you can either choose if you have a Course Sites account or if you need a Course Sites account. So you can select Need and then complete the information once again. You can create your own username and password. And again, you might need to write this down so you can remember. You're going to want to accept the terms of use. And save and continue. You'll be shown some information on how to navigate. And so you can take some time to create your profile right now, or you can do it later. So I'm going to click on the Do It Later so we can get to the Chapter Advisor resource. So you'll see that took us about 4 minutes to complete to get into the Chapter Advisor resource. Once you are in the Chapter Advisor resource, there are navigational links on the left side that show all 12 steps. There's some links right here that tell you how to use the resource. There's a video welcome from the HOSA National Officers. Once you are in the Chapter Advisor resource, feel free to skip around to the step where you need the most assistance. If you're brand new, go ahead and start at step 1. If you already know HOSA and you have already gotten connected to your state advisor and you're to the Recruiting Students link, you can click on that for more information. What will pop up is a quick description of the step, and then you can click there to be taken to the next set of links. For instance, here in the Step 3 Recruit Students, there are links to the HOSA website, and there are links to different documents here. Let's take the sample HOSA member application. You'll see that this is a Word document, so you can open this Word document. And you can see that you can change this as you see fit. If you want to make sure that your school is listed, you can put your high school name or your college name up on top, and you can make any changes. So if you don't need a home phone for this student, you can certainly delete that. Just go up to the file and save as, and you can save it as your own document. We want you to use these resources just as we showed you. Another example are the develop bylaws in step 5. Here's another sample bylaws that is a Word document that will pop up, and you can open this again and feel free to copy and seal everything. So again, you can come in and you can make any changes to this. Hopefully you see how easy this is to navigate. Some other features that I'd like to point out are the discussion link over here. There are a couple of opportunities here. The first one is to introduce yourself to the whole group, and you can share back and forth and take a look at others that are using this resource. There's also the best practices link. This best practices link is an opportunity for you to share your best practices, either your favorite activity, your favorite HOSA document, your favorite HOSA lesson plan, so others can see all of the different options in here. If you need to have a certificate of completion, you'll simply come to step 12 to take the advisor resource survey, and you'll have an opportunity there to tell us your name and your email so we can send you a certificate of completion. Again, there are many different opportunities and options and resources that are available in each of these 12 steps. You can go through them in a linear fashion, or you can choose to skip around to whichever resources you feel you need the best. We hope that you take the time to utilize this resource, and let us know if you have any questions by emailing hosa@hosa.org or calling 1-800-321-HOSA. Have a great day.